Today was such an awesome day. We did a lot this morning. My campaign manager, they did some awesome work this morning. Made me want to come home and fix dinner. I done came home and made a real soul food. Some oxtails and stewed beef, some peas and rice. What? And some what? Good old fashioned collard greens. Yes. And also a nice sheet of cornbread in the oven is ready. My husband gonna be so happy today. They really made me feel so great that I came home and cooked a darn soul food meal. God is good. I hope y'all having a great weekend.